Get set to do your dirty work with the Pressure Joe electric pressure washer. Packed with 1,800 watts of power, Pressure Joe delivers a mighty blast, up to 2,030 pounds per square inch, to demolish every bit of dirt. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Pump up to 1.76 gallons every minute to get really clean, really fast. Reach high, reach low. Pressure Joe's 34-inch extension wand goes where no garden hose has gone before. Control your spray with 5 quick connect nozzles. From intense jet to gentle spray, Pressure Joe makes light work of mildew, grease, oil, tar, mud, rust, and more. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. Clean smart with Pressure Joe's built-in total stop system to save energy and prolong pump life. Mix it up with 2 onboard detergent tanks. Fill one with this, another one with that. Now you're ready to fight dirt. From porch to patio, siding, shutters, wooden decks, furniture and cars, Pressure Joe cleans them all. Weighing only 31 pounds, Pressure Joe wheels easily from one dirty job to the next. You name it, you aim it, grime is gone. And every Pressure Joe is backed by a full 2-year warranty. For the extreme power and performance you demand, go with Joe. Pressure Joe from Sun Joe. Get equipped.
Half the size, half the weight, all the power. EPX 3050 by Westinghouse, delivering 2,050 max PSI, more pressure per pound than any other electric pressure washer like it. Sets up in minutes with the power you need to deep clean all your projects. Uniquely designed with a low center of gravity and 360-degree quick lock wheels, it moves effortlessly from surface to surface without tipping over. Standing at 16.5 inches tall, the EPX 3050 weighs only 19 pounds, making it perfect for limited storage space and portability no matter where you are. Pro-style steel wand has universal M22 fittings for more expandability, from included quick connect nozzles to additional attachments. Combined with a built-in soap tank and easy coil hose, you can blast away mildew, grease, oil, tar, mud, rust, and more from all household surfaces. Tackle your toughest jobs with the Westinghouse EPX series of electric pressure washers.
Tough outdoor cleaning projects require the Stanley SHP 1600 electric pressure washer. Clean surfaces like house siding with mildew, mold, and moss. Power clean decks and fences to look new again with 1600 PSI. That's 32 times the power of a standard garden hose while using 80% less water. Choose the SHP 1600 because it represents the quality you expect from Stanley. These are some of the best-in-class features. Spray down any and all your patio areas, including the patio furniture, to make everything look new again. Save money cleaning your vehicles by pressure washing them clean. Stanley electric pressure washers are performance in action. Get yours online at select retailers today.
Meet the all-new Karcher K1700. Electric and easy to use with the power and durability to get things done. Simply hook up, turn on, and wash. The K1700 generates 1700 psi of true pressure cleaning power. Restore your home's exterior, and then clean your patio furniture and garage doors. The K1700 quickly cleans your car, your kids' play areas, and your house, deck, and driveway. Karcher. Cleaner. Quicker. The lightweight and portable K1700 has power for deep cleaning, an assortment of quick connect nozzles, a removable detergent tank, and durable all-metal hose connections. With oversized wheels, all on a heavy-duty frame. You operate the on-off switch by foot, and the quiet electric motor turns off when you stop spraying. When you're done, everything stores on board. The cord on the handle, and a handy storage bin holds the hose, spray gun, or whatever you need. With Karcher, you get the best power for your dollar and a superior 3-year best-in-class warranty. For even more convenience, you can add hose extensions, surface cleaners, wash brushes, or foaming soap applicators to give you even more versatility. Karcher pressure washers give you the power to complete projects quickly so your home looks like new again. Karcher makes a difference.